Hi there, I'm Ryan out here in STEMy Stuff World Headquarters, and I'm here today to talk with you about some of the questions and comments that we sometimes receive regarding the playability of a STEMy Stuff electric guitar. You know, people look at it and think it's only got one string, it's fretted what we call diatonically, so not like a regular guitar. You probably can't actually play anything on it. Oh, sing us a song, you're the guitar man. Go Bucky. There's a teacher who's sure her kids would love guitars, and she's buying supplies from STEMy Stuff. I disagree. You can play an awful lot of songs on this guitar. Now, it is totally true that you can't play any song that you want, but you can play hundreds, thousands of songs, old songs, new songs, popular songs, not so popular songs, lots of songs on this guitar. I think it comes down to goals. If your goals are to make a family heirloom musical instrument, this is probably not the kit for you. If your goals are to teach science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, to hook the kids with something that is absolutely awesome, to build some enthusiasm for what you're doing in your classroom, and to maybe teach them that playing music isn't so bad, then this is the kit for you. We've created a document kind of like a songbook of songs that you can play on your STEMy Stuff guitar. This is just to get you started. Find the link for that in the description below. It'll also be posted on our website. We also are going to produce a video soon about the fine details of making a STEMy Stuff electric guitar that's a little easier to play and sounds a little nicer, so that if you want to actually make music with it, you can. That's all I've got for you today. I hope that this video has been helpful. I hope maybe it's answered some of your questions about whether you can actually play music on one of these guitars. And I hope that maybe it's convinced you to give electric guitars a try in your classroom. The kids are going to flip out. They're going to love it, and you're going to have a good time too. Good luck, and keep it STEMy.